I want to determine the equation of the line passing through the points -3, 2, and 5, 10. Again, I need to consider my three forms of my line. Ax plus by equals c. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Or y equals mx plus b. Now, at this point, I don't really know any of the components to any of these equations. But since I have 2 points, I can always find the slope, which is m. Remember, slope is the change in y over the change in x. So I'm going to look at my y's first and how they change. I'm going to say 10 minus 2. And then look at the x's and see how they change. So 5 minus -3. 10 minus 2 is 5. 5 minus -3 would be positive 8. So this is my slope. So again, I'm not going to use slope-intercept form. I'll either use point-slope form, or sorry, I'm not going to use standard form. I will either use slope-intercept form or point-slope form. Since I know points that the line passed through, it would make more sense to use point-slope form than slope-intercept. So I'll say y, and it doesn't matter which point I use. I will use the point -3 to write the equation of my line. You could use the point 5, 10, and technically that is the same line and would be an equivalent response. So I have to do the y and then the opposite of the y value. So the opposite of 2 is -2 equals m, which I know m to be 5 over 8, times x, and I have to do the opposite of 3, -3, so that's positive. And this would be the equation of my line. Now, I could do several things from here, but since it didn't specify what form to put the line in, I can accept this as my answer.